Tell me more about this summer slowdown. To tell you a little bit about like how I am in the eBay business, I probably know about 20% of of everything eBay, and so my goal with this podcast is just to learn from experienced people on how to improve my eBay store, well, my eBay account and sales and that sort of thing. And so I've heard about this summer slowdown before I got started, and so can you tell me a little bit more about that and what it is and how it affects eBay sellers?
Sure. And it's been in my experience and other resellers' experience so much so that it has the nickname the summer slowdown. People are just not shopping. They're at the beach. They're doing life. It's summertime. And you could look at your sales and your impressions and it just tails off. And everyone who might be new to this goes, oh my goodness, my inventory's junk or my prices are too high. And the reality is there's just people are doing other stuff. There's nothing nefarious to it. It's okay. It happens. It happens every year. And what the more nefarious part about it is that it then leads into the fourth quarter, which is kind of a ridiculous time with selling. So folks get lulled into, oh man, I'm failing. I'm not doing so good. This is not working out for me. And then boom, they get hit real hard where, you know, everyone's buying stuff and it kind of takes folks off guard a little bit. I mean, everybody knows Christmas time is going to be busy, but how quickly it does ramp up, in my experience, start seeing increases in sales in October. So we have 6 weeks to go before it really cranks up. And but the summer slowdown in and of itself, I think eBay resellers and e-commerce folks in general shouldn't really look too hard into it. I mean, always be vigilant about your store and taking a look at your objects, but it's not you, it's them.
Okay, that's good to know, because sales have been slow for me. But
don't do a permanent solution for a temporary problem. Just guide it out and be happy and thankful for what you do get, and be prepared. If you end up having the same numbers or the same amount of sales on January 1st, you have an issue. But the summer slowdown, July, August, September, unless you're specifically doing children's clothes, school supplies, I wouldn't look too much into it.